beetles, they're a remarkable critter. Their nickname is the Undertakers of nature. They traipse around, they find dead animals, so like a dead rodent or a dead bird, and then they'll bury it in the dirt. You imagine these beetles are about an inch long, and so if you get like a small squirrel, imagine the size difference. They're pretty powerful. So they'll bury it, and then if it's a rodent, so I use mice in the lab, they'll actually shave it. I don't know how that's with their mandibles. Somehow they take all the hair off of it, and they have these enzymes in their saliva that they secrete over it to kind of mummify it. They roll it up into a ball, and then the female will lay her eggs somewhere in the soil around the carcass. And then when the larvae hatch out, they'll go onto the carcass and start feeding. And the male and the female, both will, they'll chew out, they'll eat some of the carcass and regurgitate it to feed it to the larvae. So it sounds like a bird. But they'll also, the beetles will estimate how much resources is available there based on the volume of the carcass. And so they lay a certain number of eggs, but if say they have a small carcass, not all those larvae will be able to grow big enough there. And so they'll actually eat some of the larvae when they first get there to keep the brood size down. By judging how big the carcass is and controlling the brood size, they can make sure that their offspring are going to be able to compete once they become adults and are looking for their own carcasses. And so the larvae get big and they chew up all that's left of so I use mice in the lab. All that's left when they're done is the bones and the tail, and then once they finish everything, they eat everything, it's all gone, they disperse into the soil and build their little cocoons and become pupa, and some adults hatching out. But it's fascinating to watch them. It's fun to see like the diversity of life that's out there. That is really, the scriptures say it's there for our enjoyment and for our pleasure. And if we take the opportunity to learn about it, it is really fascinating and makes you happy and joyful.